So anytime you're factoring, you want to look for a greatest common factor first. If I have x squared plus 9x plus 14, do I have a greatest common factor? I do not, because there's no number with x squared, so I can't factor out a number other than 1. And there's no x with the 14, so I can't factor out any x's. So this is already factored in terms of having a greatest common factor. But when I factored by grouping, I had x squared plus something plus 14. We were given these two values. So here's what we're looking for when we factor this way. We are looking for two numbers that add up to give us 9 and are going to multiply together to give us 14. So the easiest way to go about that is to factor 14. So factor the constant. And by constant, I mean the number by itself. Yes, you write everything down that I am writing down. One and 14. 2. What's 14 divided by 2? 7. Is it divisible by 3? What about 4? Nope. 5? No. 6? No. So we're back to 7 and 2. So what we're looking for in these pairs, 1 and 14 and 2 and 7, are two numbers that add up to give us 9, to add up to give us that middle term. So which pair of those numbers add up to 9? Boys? Writing all this down? So which two of those pairs, 1 and 14 or 2 and 7, add up to 9? 2 and 7. So I am going to rewrite the polynomial as x squared plus 2x plus 7x plus 14. So if we were to simplify this, we would add the 2x and the 7x. That would give us the 9x. So then step 3, and I'm just going to write it here because we're kind of going to do this all in one, is we're going to factor it by grouping, like we did in 7.1. So we have our x squared plus 2x plus 7x plus 14. What can we factor out of x squared plus 2x? I'm going to show you the box method in a bit, yeah. What can I factor out of the x squared and the 2x? An x. So if I factor an x out, x squared divided by x gives me x. 2x divided by x gives me what? 2. And then the second part, what can I factor out of 7x and 14? 7. So 7x divided by 7 gives me x, or 7 times x gives me 7x. 14 divided by 7 gives me 2, or 7 times 2 gives me 14. So now I have my common factor of x plus 2. So then my step 4 is to rewrite in factored form. So I'd have x plus 2 times what? That's interesting. X plus 2 times x plus 7. So that is factoring by grouping, when you don't have those two middle terms done for you. So the second part of this, I'm going to pause and do a different video because I'm recording this right now, but I'm going to show you the other way in using the box and diamond as well.